What's up everyone? In Mozilla Firefox, if you're getting an error message that your browser is managed by an organization, this video is for you. We will be doing a very simple step, only single step will fix this problem. Please make sure you watch the whole video. Do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here we need to type regedit. Now once you have typed it, hit OK. And it will ask you to say yes. Now here you will see a window like this. Now before making any changes to the registry editor, what I would recommend to take a backup. So for that, you just need to go to File, go to Export, and then go to Desktop. Just mention anything and save it. So let's say if anything goes wrong, you can always restore back the same. So I can see the registry has been exported. Now let's say if you want to import it, you just need to go to File and then Import and select that registry, and you will be back to the same settings which you had. Here in HKey local machine, we just need to do a double click and then again do a double click in the software icon, and you can see the location right here at the top. Now once we are in software, we are looking for policies. So I just have found it. Just do a double click on the policies and you will find Microsoft Mozilla, and I'll just double click on Mozilla, and here I'll get Firefox. I'll double click again and then I'll go to certificates. Now once you're in certificates, here you will find a value. You just need to select that and do a right click and then click on delete. Now once this is done, you just need to restart the computer and your Mozilla Firefox browser is managed by an organization. Issue will be fixed for sure. Please let me know in the comment section and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.